Hello. Hello. Wait. Oh yeah, 7 means there's 2 missing. I was like, oh, there's only 1 missing. No, there's 2 missing. Okay, so this one is empty. Which means this one is one of these, but we don't... Oh, it's not this one. Right, that's not only empty, but like literally... See, I have to get my brain back in the game, guys. Get back in the game. 1, 2... Alright, well this can't touch, so that's got to be like that. Actually, no, it doesn't. I think I jumped to conclusions a little bit there. I don't know. I don't know, man. Okay, so these ones are clear. And that's a ting tangler, and that's a ting tangler. And that's clear. And then that. Okay. So that gives me the 7. And the 6. And the 5. Okay, so something like this. This needs 2 blocks. Well, this has to be there and there, right? And then that solves that. Okay. Okay. Now what? 1. Boom. 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 Cute pattern there. Okay, so that gives us all that. Which gives us that, which gives us that 7. Alright. We get that. That gives us that. And that. So it has to be like that. Okay, this is clear, Holio. Four. Like that. That's clear. That has to be like that. That's clear. That's like that. That's clear. 6. It's our favorite song. Okay, we're getting to the end of this one. All right, we got a dark background for our little cubby. That's great. Okay. What do we want to do now? Let's just... How big is... This one's pretty small. These are some... Oh, we already started this one, is what's going on here. Okay, what did we miss down here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is done, is what we missed. So 4. Alright. 6. Yeah, I don't know. 6. 3. Is the game any good? I mean, I think it depends how much you like this basic activity of filling in the things, because that's literally all the game is. I don't know if I'm going to finish the... Well, I mean, we're almost 10%. Might as well, right? We're almost done. Ugh. What am I not seeing about this? We have a 6 with 5 on it, so one of these is filled, right? Oh, this 6 is done, actually. He has 6. That's what it tells us. Okay. See, it's usually easy stuff like that that I don't see. Don't really know what to do up here. Oh, the 1. The 1. Oops. Yeah. So... I might take a nap. Did I ever try Rocksmith? I didn't. I wanted to try it because I was really interested in like just a music game that was kind of educational like that. And then there was some, like, you couldn't buy it on PC or something. It was like only for a console that I didn't have for, like, I forget what it was, but there was some stupid reason why you couldn't get it. And then eventually it was like, well, That's a really old game. What do I do with this? 5. Okay, that has to be like that. Oops. All right, now what do we do? The middle of those 666s. Maybe you mean where we are now? I don't know. What do we do here? That's what we do. I don't know. Oh, this 4. There we go. We like 4s. 4s are often really good, actually. Threes are good also. 3 and 4 are like among the best numbers, which is crazy. Dang it. I counted wrong. That one. Oh, we don't know those. Could be there. Could be in the middle. Hey, we got brown with a gradient to go around our little Jawa guy. All right. Look at that. Who doesn't want brown with a gradient? All right, let's see what's going on over here. We already tagged some zeros here. That was great. Okay, 4 in the corner. Gotta look for those. Those are good. Whoop. 1, 2. Okay, like that. Okay, we gotta zoom in on this puppy. See, I'm getting faster at the game. Kinda. Kinda. Okay. Have I launched yet? What? Have I launched yet? Who? What? Dark and light tile sounds. I don't know. Maybe he means Soapbon. Launched, referring to the Factorio space expansion. Dude, I feel like it's someone who thinks all indie developers are trying to make a game but can't actually ever make a game. And then they release one game and it comes out on Steam and nobody buys it and then they disappear. That's what that question sounds like to me. You know? Like, what? I'm just doing the easy ones over here. Just doing some little easies. Easy squeezies. Look how much easier this is than what we were just doing. Now I'm stuck. Never mind. This 5 only has 5. Like that. I'm stuck. What am I missing? Okay, this has to be determinable because we've filled it up all right here. Things can't reach past that. So just by looking at these numbers, we got to be able to figure it out. Oh, the 3's done. When there's little sneaky corners like that, I miss them sometimes. All right. There we go. Okay, I mean, we were trying to do this, and then I started doing this, and now we have the moral dilemma of which one to keep going on, but, I mean, I could just do that. That's easy. 9, oh my goodness. There's 9s. And then this has got to be doable, right? So, 3, all right. 4, easy clap. For funny numbers in corners or something, but I don't. Oh, there's a 6 right here. Boom. So this 4 is done, so that has to be that. Easy clap. game. Here, I don't know. Oh yeah, I do. Duh. That's a very common pattern, actually. Wait, what? What? Did I mess up on the other? Oh wait, the 3. What am I doing? The 3. Okay, but the 1. Okay, I got something wrong over here. So this guy's empty. We know that. That means that's that. But we don't know that this isn't. I don't know why I flagged that one. So the 1 means that, which means the 2's there. Yeah, I just mistakenly filled that in, is what happened. Web phishing. Is that like a slither.io situation? How's my day going? I'm sleepy and kind of want to log off to take a nap for a little bit. We'll see if I do that. It's just, you know, it's lazy Sunday. I've been doing my things. Oh, this 3's done. Duh. 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 I gotta remember the game's really easy, actually. Anytime I'm sitting there staring and I'm like, what the hell's going on? Just type into chat, the game's easy. Now I'll remember to think of the game as being very easy, and this will enable us to make rapid progress. How much do I find I need to exercise? Well, I eat poisoned American food, so the answer is more than I do. This 5 here. The game's easy. Oh, wait. Okay, hold on. I didn't actually know that. Wait, did I? Oh, yeah, I was looking at the wrong 5. So that needs all that. And then now that has 5. And that has 4. The game's easy. I was like, nobody can set this, but this guy does. So we're fine. Okay, we're getting there. It's exciting. Okay, we've got kind of some green pixels. But it looks like something's happening over here, so maybe we'll get a proverb if we do these. Exercise helps with poison, yeah, because you sweat it out and you can burn some of it. Is there a price tag? I haven't decided. No, you can't charge prices depending on the budget. That's not how capitalism works. You need to charge prices that are in line with what people feel like they want to pay for it. It would be probably either $30 or $40. I don't know. I'm not sure. Labor theory of value. Exactly. Labor theory of value is not how anything works. That's cool that we're starting from the middle. Whoops. I was one off. I was looking at it the wrong way. The wrong way. Let's go back over here. Have I ever enjoyed a fighting game? Not really. Not really. It just never was my thing. Like Street Fighter 2 was really big when I was in college. And it just never, you know, it just didn't Didn't really excite me to play it. So this is a 4. There can't be more than 1 in this region, which means that has to be. But then the question is, what's the 4th one? One of these 3 is a 1. All right? And what that means is these are not 1s. Aha! And that gives us the 2 there. Wait, no it doesn't. No it doesn't. It could give us the 2 there. Okay, let's go back to things we know. We could come back to this later. Although, yeah, I guess maybe once we figure out what this is, that tells us what this is, and then, I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, I just noticed this already has 5, so GG's. Whoops. Whoopsie. I don't know what to do with this, though. Smash Brothers, I did play Smash Brothers a little bit, like a really long time ago, like 20 years ago. And I just didn't. Maybe it's evolved since then and is a better game now, but it just felt like stupid ass button mashing to me. Maybe, you know, like with anything, maybe as you learn it and get really good. But, you know. Trying to see where I can go with this. I do not live in Florida anymore. I moved out of Florida like almost 2 years ago. Well, I was sort of half and half for a little bit. But yeah, I've been at least half here for almost 2 years. Right. I don't know what we're looking at, but we have some color over here, so we'll chase that. Chasing the colors. Chasing the colors. Chasing the colors. Okay. That's great. We've been making progress. Progress, schmogress. Now we got to deal with this. What do we do here? Okay, here, this 4. Boom. 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 Well, now what? Does anyone have a suggestion? I don't know. Look, there's a 0 down here. We could do that real fast. That's fun. Oh, look at that. That's fun. I accidentally went too far. Remember the cool Zachtronics dungeon game? We need to go back and play that again. That was a good game. Have I beat La Mulana? No, that game is unplayable. It is unplayable. Dungeons and Diagrams, yes. Did I finish it? I seem to remember we finished it, or we got to like a zone where it becomes all randomly generated after that or something. I don't remember. Yeah, La Mulana was funny because it was like a game that everybody around Tig Source was all excited about and stuff. But it was like completely unplayable. And that's like not an exaggeration. I mean, you could run around and like do stuff, but you couldn't like win the game or solve the mysteries or whatever, because they're so like when you're making a puzzle or something for people to figure out, There's like things that are solvable, and then there are things that are just like random crap that you thought of, right? And people who don't work hard at puzzle design, who think it's easy, just do like random crap that they thought of, and then they expect people to solve it. You know, and the problem with that is it just doesn't work that way. Like, you're expecting people to read your mind about a weird thing, and it just maybe takes some experience to figure out which is which. You have an itch for an archaeology platformer that's difficult but not impossible. Like, dude, if La Mulana had real puzzles, that would be awesome. I mean, have you played 1001 Spikes? You've seen people beating La Mulana. Yeah, because they watched the fucking YouTube video that tells you what to do. Sure, you can do it if you watch the YouTube video, but it tells you everything. Used pizza beat it in 100 hours alone. All right, well, that's very special. Does the game tell you which proverb it is? Yes. Yes, it does. We haven't gotten a new proverb tonight, dude. We need to. Oops. Oopsie. Thousand and One Spikes isn't about getting lost. It's like a very level by level adventure platformer. Am I still using quaternion and lerp compensation? Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't matter that much. Like, the only time it would really matter now is if you're just doing, you know, 50,000 of them a frame or something, you know? So, like, inside a big animation package, it would matter. But, like, if you're just going to call it to do something, it doesn't matter. That's what you're missing from 1001 Spikes. I see. I see. Did you play Wuppo? Remember Wuppo, guys? When we played that on stream? That was a good fucking game. Oh, they released a remaster. Wuppo Definitive Edition. It has 5,000 reviews. Oh, it was released in 2016. This is a good game, and you get to adventure. You get to adventure around. I'll paste the link. It is. I had a lot of fun playing that game. Like, it's not very often that I really enjoy games like that, and that one was really fun. All right, we got a proverb, which is great. See the dogs? Can you tell they're dogs right there? 2 dogs. They're not agreeing right now. See, I've learned. Do not let people tell you that I have not learned about the proverbs. Guys, we're 10% done. Oh my goodness. We're going to know so many proverbs by the end. It's going to be really great. Whoops. Oops. Can't do that. Can't do that. Would I ever make a game like Wepo? Maybe. I've thought about it sometimes. It's just, it takes me so freaking long to make games right now that I don't get to make most of my ideas, you know? Whoops. Miscounted again. Maybe we should play Wuppo again. How is that a proverb? Those are the hot coals. That was the color that we saw. Let's go back to this. Tiny Terry's Turbo Trip. Interesting, all right. I don't see nothing to do here. Oh, the 5. Duh. Duh. Told you we would figure it out. Wait, what's going on? Oh, I was like not seeing the row down here. I thought the bottom was here. I was like, why are these numbers? Why are these? Whoops. Miscount. Why are these numbers lit up? Ah. Keep misclicking. Misclicking all day. Catching a fish without a net. How do I organize my ideas? Sometimes I type them into a file, but I've got a file of game ideas from a really long time ago. It's got like 100 ideas, but I don't think I would do most of them now. Like, oh, you can re-click on the old proverbs. That's what happened that one time when we got to. You know, as you get better and as you develop your taste, things that used to be interesting, I would say in my case, seem more trivial. It's like, okay, yeah, you could do that in a game, but it's not really an idea for a whole game. It's more like a minor aspect of some game or something, you know? But I definitely have a backlog of 2 or 3 games that I definitely want to do. See, I started looking a long time ago for this with a 3 on the side because I thought that was a cool pattern. And haven't seen one in a while, but we just got one there. They did a good job for what level of production value of game this is. They did a good job making clicking feel good. Like, if clicking sucked in this game, like, I wouldn't be playing it anymore, right? Because it's literally all that you do. And, like, wisely, maybe with the wisdom gained from all the proverbs, it was decided that clicking should really feel good in this game. And, yeah. Are we at the edge of the map over here? Wow, okay. Okay. We're just sort of drifting. We didn't intend to go to the edge of the map. The drag sweeping is good. The sound effects are good. And just the, like the cursor flashes a little bit. That adds a little bit. Just the highlight is not obnoxious, but it's responsive, you know? I don't know. Like, it's not, I'm not saying it's the most polished thing ever or anything like that, because it obviously isn't, but like, usually a game at this level of production value would feel a lot shittier, and then you wouldn't play it. Or I wouldn't play it, and a lot of people wouldn't play it. So, yeah. So we don't know which of these is in this 5, but it's not this one because that would make that more than 3. Whoa! Okay, hold on. I misjudged. Okay, wait. Wait. Let's do this again. I said, okay, here's 5. Oh, you know what? I was adding things up to 6, not 5. I was like, oh, it's got to be all but one of these. No, it's all but 2. It's all but 2. Sad. Oh, this 3 already has 3. Duh. Duh. Dun, 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 dun. Wait, oops. He's already got 3. He doesn't. No, we don't know that. What are you doing? I don't know that. We have finished that portion of the proverb land. The last game was funded in 2019. I'm not sure if that's true. There might have been some stuff after that, but it is definitely like there's not a lot of momentum in indie fund these days, I would say. Like, I think it is still a viable way to get money for a game, but we're not doing a lot these days. We seem to be very conservative. I wouldn't say that. But if we get a submission from someone and it doesn't seem like they have any clue how to make a game, we're not going to fund it. And that's a lot of submissions, you know. Or if it's an uninteresting game, you know, there's all sorts of things. clear errors. Hope I didn't have real bad errors. Keep the hen's egg and let the gooses go. Am I art directing Sokoban game? Yeah, I'm high level art directing it. We tend to have art leads over the course of development who are, you know, doing the day-to-day direction. Yes, this is the game soundtrack. Okay, we got to get back toward the middle. I didn't realize we had strayed so far in search of proverbs. So I'm pretty sure this has to be empty. Because if there's one there, there has to be one in either of these squares for this guy, and that would pump this to 5. So that's empty, which means this 3 is like that. Wait, is this not a whole thing? Oh, this thing. Wait. 1, 2. Oh, wait. Right. So when I did this, I thought this was a 4-bagger, but it's not. So that has to be like that. So then this one has to be like that. There we go. There we go. Whoops, wait. My brain didn't work. Hold on. This has 2. Clear errors, please. That's like that. Okay, this block could be either... It could be here, here. So, oh, in fact, that gives this 2. Let's just do what we know, though. So that does that one. Yeah, it is that. It is that. There we go. There we go. Look at that shape. Look at that shape, man. Bam! Look at that little region. I like it when they go fast. I'm like Sonic. Gotta go fast. Oh, not too fast. Sonic. Why'd they stop making Sonic games? Is what I want to know. I went to Steam the other day. I was like, I want to play a Sonic game. And they're like, weren't good ones. What do I think about Java? Why would I think about Java at all? Weren't the latest Sonic games well received? I don't know. I'm talking about Sonic. Hello? Hello? What do you want the block of marble for? Making a Sonic game? That would be cool. Soundtrack's gonna drive me crazy eventually. In fact, you know what? Here's what we gotta do. There's no... Oh, audio. Alright. We gotta put a real soundtrack on this bitch. We're rocking so hard, I'm already making mistakes. Oops. Oops. What do I do here? This one seems really hard. So you just need a good soundtrack on the game. Whoops. Wrongo. I didn't notice that that was a 7 on a corner. We could have started there. Perfect on the end of the song, see? Angeline era game, a bit like Wise. I don't know what Wise is. Angeline era. It looks a little bit weeaboo for me, but we'll see. What do we do from here? Oops. Wait. What? Oh, this is wrong. Because this could go up here. I got antsy. I got antsy. Oh! Wait, 3. There. 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 Alright, we're getting it right this time. What do we do here? You found a game called Genshin Impact. Yeah, well, I'm sure that game is really something. I feel like I should be able to do something here, but I don't know what. Oh, I could do the 5 though. I could do the 5. That's what I was missing. Now that we are sufficiently fueled up to appreciate the proverb when it appears. I only have about 20 minutes and it's time to go out tonight for a little bit. Where does the proverb's progress come from now? I am refining macro data. That is exactly what's happening. Which, by the way, season 2 in January. I hope they don't fuck it up. I hope they don't fuck it up. Oh, that's what I was missing. All right. Has Hollywood managed to make a good season 2 in the last decade? I mean, I don't like most TV shows at all. I'm trying to think of what I watched that even has a season 2. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what I watched that even has a season 2. Sad. They like this pattern in this game. The music, oops. Music dance experience is officially canceled. Black 4 in the orange square. Oh, this one. Yeah. It's funny. I read the comment and then I looked directly back at that. Boom. I don't know why I was having... I looked at that 4 like several times. I don't know why I was having a problem with it. But I was. Don't worry about that. Oh. Okay, so, well, I was going to say this is cut off, so we should be able to solve it, but it's not quite because we have a little leak right here. Got a little leak right here, buddy. So I don't know which side to attack. How bad was the Foundation series? The books or the show? The show was frickin' awful for multiple. It's just terrible. It's fucking embarrassing. Yeah, it was. I mean, it's just like most other shows, right? It's like woke casting comes first. And then with the woke casting, we'll kind of do this Isaac Asimov thing. So the thing about, okay, here's the thing about the Foundation series, right? The books. They jump ahead in time, and there's like a different hero or different main character in every time. And they're not all dudes. They're not all seemingly white dudes. Like one of them later on is like a probably 14-year-old girl or something. But like definitely the main heroes that like set up the Foundation and then had it go for a bit are dudes. And like, of course you have to change that, right? In modern Hollywood. And you can't just change it a little. You have to like completely 180 it in order to be acceptable. And so and then, you know, you just have to make the worst, most unbelievable characters. It's terrible. It's terrible. And then, but that's not even the worst part of the Foundation show. The worst part of the Foundation show is as follows. Again, like I said, the thing about the books is they span a long period in history. When the Galactic Empire, at the beginning, the Galactic Empire is like thriving. And this dude's like, this empire is not going to last very long. And everyone's like, fuck you. And then it collapses and decays. And it's about the Foundation surviving all this time and all that, right? Like thousands of years, I think. I don't remember exactly. Okay. Well, they had this bright idea because it's a Hollywood show. And you want to have, you can't just change the actors every few episodes as you go forward in history, because that wouldn't let you have your repeat lead actors in your Hollywood show. So what they did was they invented this thing where the Emperor keeps cloning himself. And there's always 3 versions of the Emperor. There's like the grandpa, the main one, and the kid. And it's like not in the books at all. And the thing that sucks about it is it 100% works against the premise of the whole fucking thing, which is following this galactic empire through thousands of years. It's no, you've got the same 3 dudes there for like theoretically thousands of years. It is stupid. It like ruins the whole thing. It ruins the whole thing. It's like they can't just do a good version of the show. They just have to fuck it up. I don't understand. I mean, I kind of understand, but you would think of all the times all these shows have been fucked up so bad, you would think that they would learn. You would think that they would learn. What do we do here? What can we figure out? I'm kind of lost now. Kind of lost now. I wonder if there's things that I'm not noticing that'll let you do stuff in the middle that I haven't seen. CIA isn't in the habit of learning from... I mean, it's not direct CIA involvement. I doubt it anyway. Yep. That I keep fat fingering, or whatever you call it when it's clicking the wrong mouse button. That's not exactly fat fingering, but you know what I'm saying there. See, this area is going fast, which I like better. It's more fun. It's more fun. Yeah, I can't believe they did the thing with the Emperor. It's so stupid. I bet whoever thought of that was like, I'm a genius. I've figured out how to make this work within the constraints of a Hollywood show. It's like, no, fuck you. You just ruined the show. That's all you did. Didn't see that 2 down there. That little 2 down there did a lot of good for us. Ta-dum. Okay, let's go back to this. What is the deal here? Oh, this 5. Duh! All right. Oops. Wait. Oh, because that already had one. Dang it. I thought that was an easy 3-bagger. Thought it was an easy 3-bagger. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boom. Now that's one of these. That pattern happens a lot. Enough for me to recognize it anyway. That has to be that. That has to be that. That has to. I still don't see how I can go down here. I'm probably missing something stupid. 1, 2, 3. There. 1, 2, 3. Wait, 4. He's already got 4, bro. He's already got 4, bro. Okay. 1, 2. How am I supposed to deal with this? Look at all these 7s. Battlestar Galactica. I liked Battlestar Galactica mostly. The mini-series that they did before it kind of sucked, I thought. And honestly, parts of Battlestar Galactica sucked pretty hard, like if we're going to be honest, but you know, parts of it were also good, and it was really good for its time, you know? Just like spending like 3 years on Caprica watching Hilo run around and spy on Cylons and nothing happened. And then magically way later in the show, you get a warp drive that goes all the way across the galaxy, all the way back to Caprica. That's the same shit that ruined Foundation that I'm talking about. It's like the whole show is about humanity trekking across the galaxy and how far this is and what an arduous trip this is. And then in season 3, you're like, oh, fuck you. We have a warp drive that goes all the way. And you're like, what? You just destroyed the whole fucking thing. The white one is done. I don't see that. What was my opinion of the final? I mean, I didn't love it. I mean, they had to wrap it up somehow, and it was a hard problem, but I didn't love it. But it was, so the thing that people may not take into consideration is that the way that they did the ending, spoilers, right? They sort of go back to Earth, and it turns out, or they land on Earth, and they're the ancient civilization, right? And the thing to realize is, like, that's actually sort of hearkening back to the intro of the old show. Basically, the intro of the old show was like showing the fleet, and Lorne Greene was like, where did the Incas and the Toltecs and the Aztecs and the Mayans come from? Blah, 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 or something like that, right? You could look it up on YouTube. And so it was kind of faithful to the original show in some way that they did that. It's just, it could have been better. It could have been a lot better. Like, that's what basically Graham Hancock Sky People, yeah. But that's like the original show, like, that's why the Viper pilot helmets look like fucking Pharaoh King Tut helmets and shit. And I tell you, as a little kid, it was pretty compelling. It was not a good show, objectively speaking, but as a little kid, it was fine. White one at the very top. I don't even remember which zone we were talking about anymore. I'm completely lost at this point. Okay. Hey, we got a white pixel down here. That's exciting. Look, we went all the way out over there and did stuff. Right? Every time I get stuck, you gotta remember, oh yeah, the game's easy. The game is easy, actually. Whoops. 3, 4, 5. Okay, okay. Too many. Too many. 6. 6. Boom. 5. We do down here. What do I do down here? Okay, look at that. Filling in some things. Gumby. Dude, Gumby. Gumby. All right, well, it's time for me to go. Maybe we'll do some programming when we get back. Maybe not. I just haven't been in the mood to stream programming. But look, we're now 13% done with this game. Who doesn't feel like we're really succeeding in life and doing awesome things? You know what I'm saying? Like, I mean, you know? You know? How do you succeed in the video game industry, dude? I don't know. It's a hard time in the video game industry. I'll tell you that. You succeed by respecting how fucking hard it is. That's what you do. I wish the video game industry were as easy as playing this game. You know? That would be pretty cool. Yeah, we like the big areas that go away like that. Those are good. Do here? What do I do here? I don't know. I feel like the information needs to come from up here. There we go. There we go. It's pretty good. Getting faster at this game sometimes. Whoops. Wait, what? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What am I missing? Oh, because he's, yeah, he's orange. He's orange, or she, I don't want to assume that blocks gender. If I stream later, will I work on the game or the language? I don't know. I don't know. Because the thing is, right now in the game, the part of development that I'm in is I've sort of got two major things that I'm thinking about. One is like, what's the ending? Like, I know what it is, but like filling it in. And that just requires kind of the deep thought that I'm not really going to get on a stream. The other part is I'm also just doing a bunch of just rando to-do list stuff about like visual, you know, like polishing up, like, you know, anytime you start making a game, there's always stuff that doesn't quite look right when you do it and looks weird and whatever. And we're sort of polishing up a bunch of that. And that's probably more amenable to streaming. However, I don't know. Yeah, maybe that. Hard to say. We like ones because they let us make rapid fill-ins. Fill-ins Diller. Whoops. Oh, because he's orange again. I did it. Literally already did that. I kind of feel like there's too many numbers in this game. Because you just go through, I mean, you just go through and fill it in. It's fine. The meat on the spit must be basted. All right. See, we're learning. This is an educational stream. How's the progress going toward the next beta release? It's pretty good. Let's look at the meat on the spit. I can't tell. Okay, there's a guy. He's cooking. This guy's hovering over, waiting to steal some food. All right, this is our Proverbs land so far. Anyway, so we just put out a beta a couple weeks ago. And that's sort of, you know, the cadence right now is every 2 to 4 weeks because I'm focusing on the language so far. And it's not exactly progress toward the next release. It's because it's more like we work on it, and when it seems like there's enough to release. Is this like a weird naked dude in a mustache in the bed? What's going on here? What was this one? Confess to the devil. Oh, he's in like a throne. Okay. He looks like the Monopoly guy, kind of. You know what I'm saying? Is anyone making a rhythm game? Well, not that I know of. Not that I know of. All right. Thanks for hanging out and doing some proverbs. We now know that the meat on the spit must be basted. That is good for us. Our VR game isn't a rhythm game. Not really. Have I been enjoying Core Keeper? I mean, I haven't played it in months. I sort of played Core Keeper up to as far as I felt like. And then I was like, well, you know, I played it. All right, thanks everyone. I'm going to go base things. I'm going to go... Oh, this guy's fishing. He's the neighbor. He's in the next proverb over. This guy is the basting thing. Oh, no, he's sitting on hot coals. Wow, it's like 3 proverbs in one zone, dude. All right. Thanks, everyone. See you later.